Hi, I'm Sam from Hanko ActTrader, and in this video I'm going to show you how to close an existing trade and also how to open up one-click trading. Okay, so if you don't know what one-click trading is, I'll explain that in a moment. But if you want to close a position that you're currently in, so for example, we're in this short position on the Euro US dollar and we're $17 up. I'm pretty happy with $17. Say for example, I don't think it's going to reach my take profit and I would like to take my money and leave. All I have to do is right click the order, which is right here. You can see the order. Right click it, close position. But here's where it gets interesting. I don't have to close the full position either. Okay, so this position is one lot. So I can choose to close half of profit, so half of $17, so $8.50 for example. Or I can, choose however much I would like to close. I don't have to close the full position. But in this case, we're going to close the full position, the full one lot, right now. And it's closed. And you will see it right here. There's the trade. $17 profit. That's the close position right there. Okay, so it's as simple as that. That's how you close a trade. But if you remember in the previous videos where we show you how to enter a trade, if you would like to enter a trade really quickly, so say for example, right now you're seeing something on the charts, you're like, this is really great, and I really want to jump in right now. Rather than clicking the sell button or the buy button up here, typing in your lot size, setting your predefined stop loss, take profit, blah, 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 and then clicking OK, because that can waste a few valuable seconds, okay? And sometimes the markets can be quite volatile and move quickly and you want to get in quick. You want to set up one-click trading, and it's exactly what you think it is. The moment you hit sell or buy, you're in a trade. So let me show you how to set up one-click trading. We're going to go ahead and click the little setting button or icon at the top here. Okay, it's a little screwdriver. I'm going to click that. And straight away under main settings, you have one-click trading. Make sure you select that and set predefined order at positioning open. So in order to, essentially what this means is when you hit buy or sell, do you have to predefine your stop and your limit before you get in? Now, if you're looking for, really quick execution, to jump in the market, you're probably not going to want to set a predefined stop or limit. So we're going to unselect this, okay? Because we want to just get in the moment we hit that sell or buy button, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and click apply and click OK. And now we've activated one-click trading. Okay, so one-click trading is now switched on, and on the left-hand side right here, you can see your bid and ask buttons, okay? So what we're gonna do is just select the lot size we would most we would wanna enter with whenever we hit the button. So we're just going to do one lot here. And say right now we're really looking to buy, we want to jump in, we're just going to hit ask. And if we go to open position, you can see we have now entered a buy order. Okay, so we have now longed the market. Obviously, no stop loss or take profit has been set because, as mentioned before, the whole point of one-click trading is you want to get in really quick. As soon as you click the button, bang, you're in. And as you can see, we enter that buy position. We're up $8. This is really quick, up $11. And we can just at any point go ahead and close the position should we want to. Okay? Or we could just click close right there. And if we look at close positions, we've got that $11 buy order that we just closed right there. Okay, so really simple, really easy. That is how you activate one-click trading and how you use it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.